Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't call on the people of Edo State, especially people wey dey stay for Benin City, wey include civil servants, to come out to support Bendel Insurance Football Club against Renaissance Sportive de Bakani of Morocco on Saturday, September 16, 2023. The Arsenals go host their opponent for Morocco, RS Bakani, for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium for the first leg of 2023-2024 CAF Confederation Cup preliminaries second round, wey go kick off by 4 o'clock for Benin City. Chairman Edo State Sports Commission Yusuf Ali and the Chief Press Secretary to Edo State Governor Andrew Okugbowa talk this one during one talk session with Tori people for the conference hall for Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, Benin City. Okugbowa talk say he dey confident say Oga Godwin Obaseki go lead supporters and fans on Saturday afternoon to hail Bendel Insurance FC to victory against RS Bakani, and say Obaseki administration no go relent in commitment to sustaining Bendel Insurance FC for top flight football level for Nigeria and Africa, and say the Edo State Governor go offer free buses to fans to come watch the match as them do for the first round, and say them throway the gate open as fans no go buy ticket to watch the match.
We are all out again to mobilize our people from all around the state to be part of it, because Edo State, through Bendel Insurance, is at the verge of making history. Like we noted over the past 3 decades or so, we've not had the opportunity of having our team participate at this continental level. Now we have been given that opportunity. We have done the first, now we are on the second. Without our support, they can't get that far. And so on behalf of the state government and the governor, we are appealing to everyone, please, in less than 24 hours, our boys will be filing out at the Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium. We want everybody to be part of it.
Edo State Sports Commission Yusuf Ali throw a salute to the people of Edo State for their massive support to Bendel Insurance for the first round match against Asoclef of Algeria last month, and say tomorrow match they very important, and say them they enjoy the massive support from the people, and say Bele sweet them for the better work where the coaching crew of Bendel Insurance FC led by Monday Odige they do.
Thank the coaching crew, they did a lot of good job, but hopefully tomorrow we want the same number or more at the stadium, please. And that is left to you guys. It is what you take out that people will listen to, people will hear, and they will come en masse for the game. Madam Awa also did a fantastic job. The free ride, we are still going to maintain the same command as the last time. The 12 points, the 30 buses, going on shuttle, they drop, they go back, they drop, they go back. We are still going to maintain that. After this event, if you go around the city of Benin, there's a road show on telling people about the event of tomorrow.
ECTS boss Awadupe Oyehori talk say Edo State government don't provide free buses to everybody wey wan watch the match, and say them don't do road show to cause awareness, and say 50,000 tickets still dey available for free to all fans.
We're going to deploy our buses to those locations, and people, as many as come to enter for the match, will bring them to the stadium, and at the end of the match we'll take them back, we'll return them back to their points. And the first location is Ugbowo Axis. At Ugbowo Axis we'll have buses stationed at Nifo Junction, the turning point, ECTS turning point, and main gate. At Airport Road we have the buses at Estate Gate and the beginning of Airport Road. And then Sokwamba we have Goreti and the 3rd East Circular Junction. Then Ikboba Hill we have Agbo Road and Ramat Park. Enya Aduwawa, and encourage the people of Edo to come out massively to support our darling Bendel Insurance team again. You did it before. We'll do it again so that we can enjoy the victory together.
Benin Arsenals, wey be Nigerians Federation Cup holders, secure the second round of the CAF Confederation Cup place after impressive first and second leg performance against Asoclef of Algeria and victory over RS Bakani go see them through to the group stage of the continental football. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Samuel Ogbemudia Stadium, Aberosogene Ejo, TMC TV News.